it's Hailey, and today we are going to make some wedding cake cookies. Technically, this is a recipe for Snowball cookies, but they are one and the same, so it's gonna be fine. This is from Rosanna Pansino's cookbook, Baking All Year Round. I made these before. They're good. And I'm actually making these because they're my mom's favorite cookies, and she's getting married this week. She wants us to make them to have at her wedding, and Sam and I are also making her wedding cake, which is so exciting. It's such a big project, but I'm very excited to do it. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to need half a cup of finely chopped pecans. So I got my pecans here. I'm not sure if this will be enough, but I'm gonna see. And then we're gonna toast these. I have seen that you can also toast them whole and then chop them, and sometimes it's better so you get like more even results. But my pecans were like all different sizes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and chop them up. Chopping nuts used to be something that I didn't like to do. I don't know why, but now it's kind of fun. Now I wonder if I could have just pulsed these in the blender, but it says chopped, not completely ground up. Taking a lot longer than I expected. Okay, they look super fine to me. I hope this is half a cup. Now I'm going to put my pecans onto a parchment lined baking sheet. Just kind of spread them out into a nice flat layer. And then to toast this, you're gonna preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and toast them until they are lightly browned and they smell nutty and toasty, I guess. I think I'm gonna start with 5 minutes. Okie dokie. So, my pecans are done toasting, and then I'm going to pour those into a bowl with 3/4 cup of flour and just a little pinch of salt. And I'm gonna stir that together. Then in a separate bowl over here, I have 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And we're gonna beat that together with 4 tablespoons of butter. I am making a small batch today, by the way. It's only gonna make about a dozen cookies, but if you wanna make more, you could just double it. Oh dear, why did this come out of my mixer? Now I'm gonna beat this together until it's light and fluffy. Whoa, start out on low speed, low speed. Then I'm gonna add my vanilla and mix it in. And then lastly, I'm gonna add my flour mixture to my butter mixture. I'm gonna start this very slow. Now it's gonna be real crumbly at first, but it'll come together eventually. If I press it together with my hands, then it holds its shape. Now I'm gonna scoop the dough out into about 2 tablespoon sized balls, and then we're gonna bake it. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, or you can just leave it on from when you toasted your pecans, and bake for about 12 minutes or until the bottom and the edges of the cookie are golden brown. Okay, they came out of the oven about 5 minutes ago, and then you want to dip them in powdered sugar while they're still warm. Cover them. Okay, let me put them on this plate. Now let your cookies cool for another 10 minutes. Okay, so now that my cookies are more cooled, I'm going to roll them in the powdered sugar again. because these cookies are just gonna be covered in sugar. Oh, hold on, this one needs more. Okay, I'm done rolling the cookies and now I'm gonna try one. Oh, my fingers are all covered in powdered sugar. It's fine. Very light and crisp, and it just like melts in your mouth. So good. And the pecans have such a wonderful flavor since we toasted them. Well, anyways, thank you so much for baking these wedding cake cookies with me today. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. And I will see you next time. Bye. And a big shout out to my mom again because these are her favorite cookies and it's her birthday today. Okay.
This is my favorite jacket. It's not very great jacket because it's like kind of frumpy, but I love it.
Do you want to try them?
Yes. This is my favorite cookie and she's making them for my wedding. I'm getting married.
So you have to approve them.
They look a lot better. They looked kind of bad earlier, but that was just the color because they didn't have
You have to
like...
dip them in like triple powdered sugar.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this could be a lot of sugar.
Yeah, sprinkle some on top too.
Yeah. Yeah, because they're supposed to be like coated like a snowball.
There's like barely any sugar inside of the cookie, so.
Yeah, that's probably why I like them. I like shortbread a lot. So.
Okay, just try it and tell me if
Okay.
you approve them.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm very excited. I'm very raspy today. Very good. I didn't know that they made some with almonds and some with pecans. So these are made with pecans. I like pecans more than almonds. These are very good. You could like eat these super fast and not get like all the flavor. You can eat like 4 or 5, but if you just savor one, it's really good. You just savor it and eat it slow. I've never had these homemade this good.
I'm serious, I made them before.
We don't remember. And if we don't remember, they were either really bad or you didn't make them. That's what we've decided.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Dinkle. They're really good. Wow, they're really rich. And really good. Just the powdered sugar on the outside is rich, but it was very good. I'm eating my crumbs.
Yay.
I'm getting married.